Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to annotate a web page that you want to potentially give feedback on or take some notes on and share with someone else. So I want to make some notes on Medium's um, mobile view. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this link and head over to markuphero.com/new. And I can go ahead and paste this link right here and choose whether I want the desktop view or mobile view. And in this case, I want the mobile view. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. This is going to take a full screenshot of the mobile view of medium.com. So here you can see, here's an image screenshot of the full thing, which is super handy. And I'm going to add a quick little annotation here to give notes back to someone. So I can go ahead and copy this link if I want to share the link. I can also copy this full image or go ahead and download it and share it however I want with these annotations. And at any point, if I want to make edits or go view past images I've uploaded or screenshots I've annotated, I can do so in my history right here. So that's how you can quickly annotate a full web page with Markup Hero.